Hello, good day and welcome. Today I'm going to be solving NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question, Question 4. Which of the following is not a type of file folder? A. Box folder, box file. B. Container file. C. Manila file folder. D. Ring binding. And E. Wallet folder. So we are asked to pick an option which is not a type of file folder. Now, file folder simply refers to folders where papers or documents are kept. Now we have various types of these file folders. Now A here says box file, which is correct. Box file is a type of what? Is a type of file folder. It's usually made up of what? Cardboard. It's made up of cardboard and is used to hold what? It's used to hold large quantity of files. Large quantity of files. It's made up of cardboard, used to hold large quantity of files. So it is a rigid file folder. B says container file. Container file is also a type of file folder, also used to what? Is used to hold files, that's documents. C says Manila folder. Manila folder also is a type of file folder. Manila folder is a type of file folder that also contains what? That contains documents. It contains documents. Now D says ring binding. Now ring binding is not a type of file folder. It's not a type of file folder. Instead, ring binding is one of the methods of what? Of holding documents together. That is binding documents. Is a method of binding or holding documents together. So it is not a what? It is not a type of file folder. Then E here says wallet folder. Yes, wallet folder is a type of file folder, and this wallet folder is also known as the plastic folder, and it's mostly used to hold what? A4 documents, A4 files. It's mostly used to hold A4 files or documents. So it's a plastic folder. Now the question says which of the following is not a type of file folder, and that is option D, ring binding. Ring binding is not a type of file folder. It is a method of holding or binding documents together. Thank you very much and God bless you. Please ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.